My name is Bob Bankert. I'm executive chef here at University of Massachusetts-Amherst. Today I'm putting together a plant-forward Middle Eastern dish focused on hummus, some chicken kebabs, and a lot of local ingredients as well. So first we'll kind of run through some ingredients down here. Some sumac red onions. These are just local red onions that are julienne with sumac and olive oil. Some pickled turnips, pickled in a little bit of beet juice, vinegar, sugar, salt, very simple. We have a traditional hummus. We're going to make basically two styles today. One traditional with chickpeas, tahini, roasted garlic, lemon juice. And then we're also going to put together kind of a warm hummus. It's called hummus masabacha, which is chickpeas, a tahini sauce, a traditional tahini sauce, lemon juice, olive oil, a good amount of salt in there as well. We're going to warm that up with a little bit of lemon, parsley, salt, pepper, and paprika. We have some beautiful in-season locally roasted vegetables here. Tricolor carrots, roasted delicata squash, cauliflower, and onions. These were all kind of marinated with some good olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper, cumin, coriander, and then good, nicely roasted in the oven. And then, so all of this is basically plant-based cuisine. Here at UMass Dining, we definitely push forward plant-forward cooking. So we do a lot of plant-based cuisine, and then with the option of adding on a meat protein as well. So today we also have some chicken kebabs, Middle Eastern chicken kebabs. It's a simple marinade we're going to go through right now. We have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We have some Greek yogurt, a little bit of ground coriander, some salt and pepper, and a good squeeze of lemon juice. We want to let this marinate at least 4 hours, but overnight is better. Your acid from your yogurt and your lemon juice really helps tenderize the chicken. And this is a simple marinade. You can add obviously a number of different spices depending on kind of the country that you're representing in the Middle East or the Mediterranean for that matter. So we marinate the chicken and go ahead and we can skewer it. Here's a completed version. Skewers on a char grill and finish in the oven if you need to. Really simple marinade and again meant to be kind of more of a garnish on your plant-based dish. Okay, so next up we're gonna make the warm hummus. Again, it's called a hummus masabacha. So add some chickpeas with some of their juice in there is fine, or a little bit of water. And this doesn't really need to cook very long. It's a really quick, just kind of warming the chickpeas with the tahini sauce. And once those are warm, we're gonna add some tahini sauce to it. Again, this is basically tahini, lemon juice, salt, a little bit of olive oil. We're also going to add a pinch of paprika just for some nice color and a little bit of flavor. Another squeeze of lemon juice. Add a good drizzle of olive oil and some parsley. Basically all we need to do is warm this up and turn off the heat. You don't really need to cook it at all. So we have pretty much everything ready to go. We're going to start with hummus as a base. Just a good spread of this. We'll give it a good drizzle of olive oil. Just a pinch of paprika. And we're going to add some of these nice warm chickpeas. And then some of our roasted vegetables. And we use seasonally here. In the summertime, it's definitely eggplant, tomato, zucchini, summer squash. And as we move into fall and winter, we change it to more of the root vegetables, the squashes. Cauliflower is still really good. And some nicely roasted onions too. And these are dishes that we serve pretty regularly here at UMass for our students. And then a couple of nice chicken kebabs. And we always have some kind of customizable toppings on our stations for students, whether they want different flavors, different colors. So again, some sumac red onions, very simple. And some nicely pickled turnips for some good color too. And olive oil is really good on everything, especially with these flavors. A little more drizzle of olive oil. We're pretty much set. So here's our Middle Eastern hummus plate. A nice traditional hummus on the bottom. Warm braised chickpeas called hummus masavacha. Some locally roasted vegetables. Some chicken kebabs, and then some sumac red onions and pickled turnips.